Here is the Kia Seltos and the bulb is over there. The way to access it, we have to open up the hatch, and now right over there is an access panel, and for that you can either use a flathead screwdriver or use your car key. Put it right in that slot over there and then pry this cover off. There you go, the cover comes off. That's the bulb holder for the reverse light. Just grab it and twist it left. You may have to use both your hands to twist it left, and out it comes. To get the bulb out now, just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. It'll come right off. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and then put the new bulb back in the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you're putting it back in the light, this is where you have to be patient, because it may take a few seconds of twisting and turning before the bulb holder just drops in and sits in flush just like this. Good. At this point, just twist your right to lock it in place and you are done. That's good. Now get the outside edge of this cover in place first. Once it's in place, get the other side in and then just press it all down to secure it, and we are done. That's good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.